What is up, you guys? It's boy Matthew and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm filming this on my phone and we're doing the intro in the car today because we are going to be doing another hybrid style vlog. Episode 1 was the Nike outlet. Episode 2 was Burlington. This time for episode 3 it's going to be the Adidas outlet. Reason for it is I came here a few days ago and I saw some items that I really wanted to get. Plus I felt like there were some items in here that I really wanted to show you guys. Just beyond that, I'm only really showing items that I personally like and I think you guys will like. So again, this outlet vlog is gonna be geared toward things I like. This Adidas outlet has between 40 to 60% off depending on the week. This week in particular, it is 50% off. But before we get into the mall, if you feel so inclined, go ahead and follow me on social media. I will leave a card on screen. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So on feet today, the Y3 Casa Shell from Fall Winter 2014. Collaboration, of course, between Yohji Yamamoto and Adidas. Classic sneaker in my rotation. I haven't worn this in a while. Such a beautiful shoe though. All right, let's go. Okay, so I had some intentions of buying something, but today it's 40% off. Meanwhile, on the weekend, it was 50% off. So I'm not gonna buy anything. Just gonna show you guys what they have in store. Human made sweater vest, 180 with 40% off again. It's a better look at the sweater vest. Pretty cool. Human made on the neck. The front, this is 150 retail. The back is super sick. 150 with the 40% off yet again. They also have like the Tivik track pants. I think it's 200, and they even have, let me fix that, one of the bombers here for 250. Footwear wise, human made, you know, whatever that is. I thought they were just stands with the straps. Human made on the back. Here we got some of the prime knit Pharrells, various colors. And we got the Craig Green Superstars as well, and some sparkly Superstars. Pretty cool. I know the other aisle has some decent stuff as well. SL72 Classics. Very nice, but what I wanted to show you, Supercourt's an underrated shoe. But we have the OAMC sneakers here, 160 with the 40. These sparkly rivalries are sick. But you also have these Craig Greens, those, and those as well. 160 with a 40, all 160 with a 40. Last time they were 230 with a 50. These are 220 with a 40. Again, last time was 50. So it really just depends on the day. Gonna head to women's now. That's where the item was that I wanted. I'm just gonna show it to you guys because again, I'd rather wait for a 50% to come back on too. So it was these are some Stella Mccartney Adidas sweatpants. Retail 100. See, the other day it would have come down to $30. And I would have bought it for $30, but now I'm just gonna wait for the price to go down. These look super cool. I wish they were cheaper right now, but it'd be like that. A lot of Stella Adidas jackets as well. I just peeped these here. These are Alpha Edge 4D, 140. These are the Stella McCartney ones as well. Nothing big enough to fit my foot, unfortunately. I wanted to try on these Terex hikers. 11 in women, it might fit. I'm gonna try them on, but they were $80 with 40. Last time were $80 for $80 with 50% off. $40 is a steal on these. I'm actually gonna try them on right now. These are clean. Again, once these go back to 50% off, I might have to grab this. I've been feeling the outdoor hiker vibe, and the Terex line from Adidas definitely provides that as well. So Adidas sizing is weird to me. I'll get into that later, but this is a size 11 in women, and they fit me. Adidas fits big in my opinion, so that's probably why. But here's how they look on feet. Super sick. And we are back in the studio, guys. Hope you're doing well. So the vlog portion was filmed in about January. It's currently May, So I've picked up a few items since then from the same Adidas outlet. As far as the general theme of this, it's going to be kind of geared toward running / cozy sportswear. I have most of the items I'm going to show you guys are collaborations, but I do have some basic stuff here that I think you guys might enjoy. So without further ado, let's get into the first segment, which I'm just going to title Adidas and Stella McCartney. So for you guys who don't know who Stella McCartney is, she is a high-end designer. She is the daughter of Paul McCartney, and in her brand, she takes a main focus on sustainability. This is where I feel the Adidas collaboration was perfect for her. Of course, they have their Parlay collaboration, as well as they have Prime Blue and Prime Green, which focuses on recycling fabrics and whatnot. In her collaboration with Adidas, there is focus on sustainability. There are some recycled elements in these garments, so it's always awesome to see. As far as her main line, it's very, very expensive, but she has really sick pieces. And following in suit, the Adidas collaboration is a little bit expensive, so I was glad to grab some items for sale. The first item, we're going to get into a pair of shoes. It's going to be the Adidas and Stella McCartney Ultraboost. I believe it's called the 3DS. Traditional continental rubber sole, Ultraboost midsole. The entire upper is made of a thin, structured prime knit. There is a Stella McCartney tab in the center for some arch support. One main design of the 3D Ultraboost is the elevated arch that's separated from the midsole itself, which is super comfortable. As far as sizing goes, I mentioned in the free hiker portion of the vlog that Adidas sizing is a little bit big in my opinion. I wear a 10.5 in men across the board in other brands. Adidas, I typically opt to go for a size 10. The Terex hiker that I tried on was a women's 11, I believe, and it fit perfectly. Now, all the Stella Adidas shoes, I believe, are all in women's. This is a size 10.5. And it fits me like a men's 10 perfectly, so just a heads up. But the first item, Adidas and Stella McCartney Ultraboost. So the next item I've actually been sitting on for a long time. I believe this was 2019, which was the last Black Friday before COVID. This is when I bought this jacket. This is the Adidas and Stella Run Ultimate Jacket. Retail on this was $230. I picked this up on sale for $50, which is an absolute steal. This is a women's size large, but it fits like a men's large / extra large. But I love it. It's super lightweight. It has recycled polyester and nylons. It has a wind flap going all the way down the center of the jacket. You have a two-way zipper with Stella pull tabs. You do have the drawstrings in the center of the jacket, almost like a parka style. There is a packable hood. The back features some leopard or tiger prints. There are some rainbow 3M effects. The wrists feature a cool rubber tab, very reminiscent of that Prada nylon era. I think I mentioned the packable hood, but there is a packable hood if I haven't mentioned that already. Two-way zipper, it's mesh lines, and there is a lot of pockets. There are side entry pockets, cargo pockets. This jacket is just absolutely beautiful. I honestly haven't worn it yet, but this jacket is amazing, and especially for that sale price, it's an absolutely amazing piece. Let's move on to the final Stella item. The final Stella piece, you actually saw this in the vlog. This is the pair of sweatpants. Retail on this was $100, and I actually ended up getting this for $30. It's a nice washed gray. It features two patch pockets on the front. The bottom left features some Adidas and Stella McCartney branding. What I love about this is the oversized waistband and drawstrings, super beautiful. The fit of these are very boxy and wide in the leg. They come down to the cuffs at the bottom, so it features an almost balloon-like silhouette. On the back, you feature some darting as well as more Adidas Stella branding. These are super comfortable. Again, these have some recycled fabrics in it as well. This is just a really chill pair of sweatpants. I wear a size large in Adidas typically for pants. This is a women's large, and again, it fits like a man. It could also be a unisex piece because Stella does that a lot, but this is a size large, and it fits me like a size large. Moving on to the next item, it's another collaboration. This is between Adidas and Bed JW Ford. Now, Bed JW Ford is an experimental Japanese design house led by Shinpei Yamagishi. I've seen their mainline items, and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. And when I found out that Adidas was doing a collaboration with them, I definitely had to look into it. Just like Stella, the main line is quite expensive, and the retail on some of these items were quite a bit too, but again, getting them on sale is always key. Shout out Jacob Keller. Don't tell me you can't find steals. This is the game jersey, and something about their first collaboration with Adidas is the color palette was absolutely beautiful. Blues, greens, yellows, oranges, absolutely sick. I do want the parka still and the track pants, but this is the game jersey. Retail on this was $120. I ended up paying about $45 for this. The main body is a beautiful green with some yellow paneling on the front. There is a taped seam chest pocket. You do have the Bed JW Ford and Adidas logos. The shoulders feature a orange mesh panel with yellow Adidas stripes going down the sleeves. The back features a huge Adidas Originals trefoil logo. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of Adidas's clothing because I feel like it's over-branded, but something about this piece is done absolutely very well. This is a size large. You can see how it fits on body. I think it's just an amazing long sleeve. Perfect for all year round, especially in Florida. So moving on to some items here that are really basics. We're gonna go into these real quick. This is a pair of running socks. This is called the Climacool running sock. They feature cooling yarns. Every time I find these, I find only one pair at a time. There's never more than one. I have a shorter version in black, and this is the over the calf version in whites. Retail was $18. I think I got these for like $6. Sick. Next one, we do have an Adidas Teryx tank top. I've been getting into the Teryx line, that outdoor hiker vibe, but retail on this was $50. I ended up paying about $18 for these. So pretty much when I go run, I'll be wearing this, but it's beautiful, lightweight, arrow ready type design. It has teals, blacks, and some tans on there. Adidas and Parlay collaboration as well, and you have the Teryx branding all throughout. Super lightweight, absolutely perfect. I love it. The final item is actually what I'm probably most excited about. It's nothing too crazy, but it's a traditional black crew neck from Adidas. This is called the Thank You for Running With Us crew neck. Pretty much I bought this because I was in the market for some plain Adidas crew necks or something like that. But the print on this was absolutely beautiful. It features the same print that Verdi uses for the Girls Don't Cry brand. Features the same exact print here. I think it's just a very chill crew neck I can throw on at any time. Retail was $30. I picked it up for about $15. This is a size extra large. Great design in my opinion. It feels really great on body. And for $15 for a cool crew neck, can't really beat it. As far as that goes, ladies and gentlemen, that has been the video. That is all the pickups from my Adidas outlet. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification icon so you know when I drop another video. Coming soon, I'll have some more brand showcases coming up. I do believe Filling Pieces is up next, as well as I have one more pickups video in the works for sure. But until the next time I see you guys face to face, it's been your boy Matthew. Take it easy, stay safe, peace.